Hello and welcome back to the Coder Shop channel. In today's video, we're diving into a key part of running a successful subscription-based business, managing renewals and closures. Whether you offer memberships, services, or digital products, knowing how to handle these steps properly can make a big difference when it comes to customer retention. So let's jump right in and see how this works in Odoo 18.
You'll begin by opening the Subscriptions app. From the dashboard, you can view all your active subscriptions at a glance. Let's click into one of them. This one is for a customer named Deco Addict. Odoo treats subscriptions just like sales orders, so everything will feel familiar if you worked with the sales app before. Here you can see it includes a recurring monthly plan along with the original order date, which marks when the subscription began. Before you can process a renewal, it's important to note that subscriptions can only be renewed after the initial invoice has been confirmed. So let's take care of that now. From the sales order, click Create Invoice, choose Regular Invoice, and then click React Draft. Once the invoice is generated, go ahead and confirm it. Now back on the sales order, you'll see the Renew button. Clicking Renew automatically creates a new quotation for the same customer and product. This new quotation is clearly labeled as a renewal quotation. From here, you can treat it just like any other sales flow. Click Confirm to activate the renewed subscription, then create invoice, choose Regular Invoice, and click React Draft again. Once the invoice is generated, confirm it. On the sales order, you'll now see a few helpful smart buttons at the top. There's History and MRR, which stands for Monthly Recurring Revenue. MRR shows the recurring income tied to this specific subscription, making it a useful metric for monitoring performance. The Sales History button gives you a complete timeline of the customer's previous subscriptions and their statuses. Here we can see that the newest sales order is currently in progress, and just below her monthly subscription has successfully renewed. Now let's say Deco decides not to continue his membership. To close the subscription, simply click the Close button on the sales order. A pop-up will appear asking for the reason. Maybe the customer found the price too high or simply no longer needs the service. You can select a reason from the list or type in a new one. Once submitted, the subscription is marked as churned. If a customer changes their mind, you don't need to start from scratch. Just click Reopen, and the subscription status switches back to In Progress. Everything is logged in the chatter, so your team can see the full history, who closed it, when, and why. Next, let's head to the configuration menu. Here you'll find two important options, recurring plans and close reasons. Having predefined close reasons makes the process faster and ensures your records stay consistent. Here you can create new reasons or modify existing ones. Now let's click into the recurring plans tab and open one of them. Inside, under the Self-Service section, you'll see options that you can enable to allow customers to close, pause, create an upsell, or renew their subscriptions directly from the customer portal. I'll go ahead and turn them on, then save the changes. Now let's return to our subscriptions and open one of them. As an administrator, you can preview exactly what customers will see by clicking the Preview button at the top of the order. From the customer portal, all those self-service options appear on the left side of the sales order. If the customer clicks Close Subscription, a pop-up will ask them to choose a reason from the predefined list. Once they submit, another pop-up offers the option to schedule a call with their account manager. A great way to improve retention and maintain engagement. For this demo, let's just close it. You'll see the order is now marked as closed. And that's how we handle subscription renewals, closures, and reactivations in Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.